Hello friend, in this video you are about to learn dynamic paint. This is based on this idea. When we color for first time on rough surface, we notice that color does not feel properly. But when we color second times or third times, color feel properly. So let's jump into Blender. I have created simple scene. So this is plain as a canvas or rough surface, and this is cube as a brush, and I have animated this. You can see keyframes on timeline, and here last keyframe is 216, so change and keyframe value, that is 216. Select this cube, then click on this physics properties tab, then click on this dynamic paint and change type from canvas into brush. Now click on this add brush, select this plane, then click on this dynamic paint. Now click on this canvas, change format from vertex to image sequence, and also change its resolution, that is 512. Also increase sub steps value for extra detailing, that is 20. Now expand this output option. Under this UV map, we have to select this UV map because this is plain, so it is already unwrapped. Now we have to select folder for image sequence bake. So click on this folder, then select your folder where you want to bake this image sequence. Now accept this. Now click on this bake image sequence. So bake is finished. Now we have to bake again for marks. So select this plane and change end frame value, that is 96, and also change and keyframe value, that is 96. Now open your folder and create another folder for marks. Now accept here, then click on this bake image sequence. Now change and frame value, that is 216. Now we have to assign material on this. So press T to hide this panel. Then we have to split this window like this. Change this window into shader editor. So click on this arrow, then click on this shader editor. Now press N to hide this panel. Now select this plane, then click on this new, then press Shift A and search here image textures and select here image textures. Then open folder and select image sequence. So press A to select all the image sequence, then click on this open image. Now press Ctrl Shift, then click on this to see this. Now also enable this material preview mode, also enable auto refresh from here. Now press space bar to play this animation. Press Shift A and search here matte. Now connect with this image sequence. Press Shift A and we have to search noise. And we have to mix this noise textures with this image sequence. So first we have to connect this factor with this value and also change matte operation into a smooth minimum. Okay, nothing is happening. So first we have to add color ramp. So press Shift A and search here color ramp. And also increase distance value, that is 0.2. Now you have to adjust handle from here like this, and you can see that this is affecting. Increase scale value. Press Shift D to duplicate and it will be marks. And we have to provide color for brush. So press Shift A and search here hue and saturation. Then connect this value with this value and change any color which you want. Okay, you can see. Now we have to add canvas textures. So first we have to make it group. Select these nodes, then press Ctrl G to make group. Then click on this arrow and just select this node, then press F2 and rename as brush. Select this principal BSDF, then press Ctrl Shift D and open your textures folder. I have downloaded textures from texturesheaven.com. Now press A to select all the textures map, then click on this principal texture setup. You can see these textures. Now select these textures, then press Ctrl G and also make it group and rename as canvas color. Open this group, then press N and we have to change its position. You can see that this base color is also denoted with this color, so we have to keep it top. Now change displacement position, that will be bottom, and also rename this color as roughness. So add here roughness. Now exit from this group. Now we have to combine these nodes. So press Shift A and search here mix RGB. Then we have to connect this color, second color, and also connect this brush with this first color. Now press space bar to see this animation. So nothing is happening here. Reason is this, we have to apply marks here. So we have to make marks. So first press Ctrl Shift, then click on this and you can see there are two colors. First is black, second is white. So black part will be visible and white part will be not visible. So first we have to invert this. So press Shift A and search here invert node. And we have to also add here color ramp. So press Shift A and search here color ramp. Now also play with this handle like this. Now select these nodes, then press Ctrl G and exit from this group. And we have to rename this as marks 1. So connect this color with this factor and you can see this is working now. If you want to adjust anything, then you have to play with this color ramp. something like this. Exit from this group. Now we have to open another image sequence that is for second times. So press Shift A and search here image textures. Now click on this open and select image sequence. So press A to select all the images, and there are 96 images in this. Okay, and this is for second times. So click on this open image. Now also enable auto refresh because it will be start from 120 keyframe. So change start keyframe value, that is 120. Press Ctrl Shift, then click on this. Press Shift A and search here hue and saturation. Just we have to change its color. So change its color into value, and color should be same. So open this brush group and click on this color, click on this hex code and copy this hex code, and also decrease this factor value. This factor value should be 0 here. Now click on this color under this hex value. You have to paste it by pressing Ctrl V. Okay, also change its factor value, that is 0. When you press space bar, it will looks like this. Not a problem, it will be fixed later. Now we have to duplicate this mix node by pressing Shift D and mix this color with first color, and also connect this mix color with second color. Now connect this color point with this base color. Okay, press Ctrl Shift, then click on this principal BSDF node, and we have to also create marks for second times brush. So first select this image textures, then press Shift D to duplicate, then press Shift A and search here map range. Connect this color with this value. Press Ctrl Shift, then click on this, and you can see it will be black and white color. Now press Shift A and search here invert node, and we have to invert this. Also press Shift A and search here color ramp and adjust this color like this. Okay, now connect this invert with this factor. You can see there are some glitch, so it can be fixed. We have to animate this. We know that second times brush is starting at 120 keyframe. So what we have to do, we have to animate this. At first keyframe we have to keep this factor value 0 and press I to insert keyframe. At 190 keyframe it should be 0. At 120 it should be 1. Now press I to insert keyframe. Press T on this timeline and select here linear. Now press space bar and you can see that this is working. So thanks for watching this video. Leave your comments and subscribe this channel.